Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can change the logo in Odoo. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be doing and explaining. And before starting, make sure that you have a logo file ready in the correct format, which is either PNG or SVG. So that's just my recommendation. And this will give your website a professional and branded appearance. So once you log into your Odoo, you will go ahead and click website, and then you will go here. You will see this, and then what you will do is on your left corner you will see editor. So just go ahead and click that, and wait for it to load. And now that you're here, what you will have to do is double click your logo. So it should, or edit, of course, click edit first before doing it. So, and then what you will do is double click this so that you will be able to upload an image. So you could either add URL or upload an image. It's really up to you. And then after that, you will just have to basically adjust the size if needed and make sure that the preview looks correct. And then you will just have to click this button right here, which is add. And yeah, that's basically just it. And then you will just have to publish your website if you're done, and save all these changes and all that stuff. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.